Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet this beautiful stitch pattern. It's super easy to make, works up really quickly, and it's perfect for so many different projects. For today's tutorial I'll be using a 3.5mm crochet hook and a lightweight yarn. Feel free to use any yarn you have, along with the recommended hook size. Just remember that changing the yarn or hook size will affect the overall size and texture of your project. Let's get started. We're going to begin with the slip knot, and then we'll start our foundation chain. I'm chaining 20, but you can work with any multiples of 5, depending on the size you want for your project. Once you have your desired length, we are gonna add 2 more chains. That means that our multiples is 5 plus 2. To begin the first row, skip the first chain from your hook and work 1 single crochet into the second chain. Chain 3, skip the next chain, then work 3 double crochets into the following chain, placing all 3 stitches into the same chain. Now skip the next 2 chains and work 1 single crochet into the next chain. Chain 3, skip 1 stitch and repeat your 3 double crochet into that same stitch. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet again, and chain 3. Continue repeating this sequence all the way across the row. Work 3 double crochet into the next stitch, repeat these steps until you reach the end of the row. Once you get to the end, you're going to have 3 stitches left, skip 2, and make 1 single crochet into the last chain. For row number 2, chain 3 and turn your work. Work 2 double crochets into the first stitch. Now we have 3 double crochets into that very first stitch. Now locate the third double crochet from the first group of the previous row and work 1 front post single crochet around that stitch. Chain 3, into a chain 3 space, work 3 double crochets. Again, make 1 front post single crochet around the third double crochet of the next group. Chain 3, then work 3 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. Continue repeating these steps across the entire row. To finish the row, work 3 double crochets together into the final stitch. Yarn over, go in, we have 3 loops on the hook, close 2. Yarn over, again, go in, we have 4 loops, close 2. Yarn over, go in, we have 5 loops, close 2, and we have 4 loops left. Yarn over and close them all together. That's how we create the 3 double crochets close together. Row number 3, chain 1 and turn. Work 1 front post single crochet around the third double crochet from the previous row. Chain 3, then work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. Again, make 1 front post single crochet into the third double crochet from the next group. Chain 3, work 3 double crochet into the chain 3 space. Repeat these same steps all the way across. As you continue, you'll notice the pattern becomes very repetitive and easy to memorize. Once we get to the end, and after making the 3 double crochets, we are gonna find the last stitch and make 1 single crochet into that space or that stitch. For the next row, we are gonna repeat row number 2. From here on, continue repeating rows number 2 and 3 until your project reaches the length you like. You can always go back to the beginning where we started the first row. That way you can work the rows with me again in case you get confused. And that's all there is to this beautiful stitch pattern. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy crocheting!